Wherever you are and whenever you need service, you can count on Kal Tire to be there. From scheduled maintenance to emergency support, our certified technicians bring the expertise and specialized OTR service trucks directly to your site. We install, inspect, and change your tires, helping you achieve maximum tire life and uptime. Supported by your personalized service guide, our expert technicians understand how your tires need to perform in your operation. With access to leading tire brands and our Canadian-made custom retreads, we're committed to helping you achieve your productivity goals. And in partnership with your Kal Tire sales representative, we make sure your tire program is always aligned with your budget and performance needs. Trust Kal Tire for expert OTR tire services.